we are here. Today, we've gotten this guy, and yes, I have the ninja pack. Hey, let's see. Whoa! Whoa, this thing is so cool! What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Guys, look what I got! This is so cool! Look! Look at him! Do you see him? No.
Man, today was sick. I love watching Roman Reigns fight today.
I'm gonna go to a city lobby. Everyone's nice to no, a cloud lobby. We're set. Okay. That's what's happening. This is so, what the heck? No, he's flying. No. This thing is so cool. It doesn't make any squeaky sounds, but this is so cool. This is so cool.
Get this glider off of me. Get this glider off of me. Bro.
It's the stick. I have the stick, everybody. I have the stick. It's a mini stick. This is so cool. Kind of glitchy. What is that head doing? Woo! He's zooming. Monkey climbing on the steps. Monkey. Guys, one day I'm gonna make a full video on it.
My name's Dog Dave.
What the heck? Do you guys like my monkey?
I like your monkey.
Thank you. He's new.
Nice to be on my dad.
Okay, bye everyone. This is so cool. I love it. Okay, bye. Oh, we got it! The monkey's chilling out on the tree. Wait, the tree.
Please help me find my dad.
This is so cool. Do you like it? Gray, do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's pretty nice.
Yeah. Look, it's like it's been stitched together. And Gray, we have the stitch. Monkey meetup time! Monkey meetup! Monkey meetup!
Oh God, there's another one. There's another one.
There's two more of them! There's so many of the monkeys! Woo! Everyone remember, check your monkey codes. I'm gonna go mess around again.